Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 FS 5G, and in this video I will show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on the smartphone. First, go to Settings, select Home Screen and Lock Screen section, then scroll down and search for the mistouch prevention, pocket mistouch prevention, and in order to try to fix this problem, try switching this toggle to the left and see if it helps you resolve your problem. Additionally, you can go to accessibility and convenience settings and then search for accessibility, then interaction, and then change touch and hold delay to short one. This way it will also should help you with this problem, and check your phone right now, and if this doesn't help you solve your problem, then you can you have to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to System and Update, Software Update, and in Software Update check if your device has any updates to install, and if it does have any, then of course take your time to download and install the latest software version. Once your phone restarts, I hope that this problem will no longer appear on your device, but if you still have this problem, then what you can do is try to remove the protective glass from your phone. As you can see, this phone does have one on it, so just remove the glass, then use a dry towel to clean the dust and debris from your screen, and then after that, restart your phone by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time. Select restart, wait until your device is rebooted, and after your device is restarted, this problem should go away. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helps you with this problem, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.